Good morning. I'm going to call this vlog the Lodhi Garden vlog. I'm not going to number it. The right number will be in the description when this vlog comes up. I'm still editing my previous vlogs, still in the pipeline. Got 4 or 5 of them to go. Today it's a Saturday. It's in the morning. Sorry, there's a lot of construction sound because our neighbors are rebuilding the house. All that fat that's come on since Diwali plus whatever there was from previous years. Need to burn that. So I'm on my way to Lodhi. We'll do a brisk walk of the entire periphery of Lodhi Garden, the jogging track. Anyway, so plan is I'll be wearing a chest mount and I'll mount this GoPro on the chest mount, and I will do a time lapse of the entire walking jogging track. It's just going to be a short one, something different, something I haven't done before. So it just came to my mind, so I thought might as well, why not? So that's the plan, and I will see you once I'm done with the walk and the time lapse. Alright, time to get ready and leave. See you. Bye. Finally got the chest mount on. Time to head to Lodhi. We'll start the time lapse once I hit the track, and I will see you after that. See you guys. Bye. So I've done one round on time lapse, and the next one, the second round, I'm going to do in normal video mode. I just saw that the time lapse was pretty shaky. So in GoPro, when you're recording on time lapse, the hyper smooth doesn't work. I think the stabilization doesn't work on time lapse. So I thought I usually do 2 rounds. So I thought the second one I'll record in regular video. So I don't know how long the battery will last, but let's see. So this is my second round, and I hope it lasts the entire duration of the entire round now.
A few moments later.
So I just want to show you what this entire chest mount setup looks like. It's quite funny actually. When I took the first round on time lapse, I wish I was actually walking on time lapse because it's quite embarrassing. But now I realize nobody gives a shit. So it's cool. It's okay, it doesn't matter. But that's what it is. Lodhi Garden is awesome. The lungs for Delhi. Amazing place. So this video, even if nobody else watches, I'm going to watch it on repeat. So it keeps motivating me trying to get out of the house, get out of office, go for a walk, and try and shed some weight. Or at least try and get fit. Okay. So it's come to an end. The walk's come to an end. Done about 4.2 kilometers in. Almost 42 minutes. That's okay. Have to be faster next time. Let me shut this thing down. Yay. Goal achieved for today. I can see myself. So done with the walk. Done with a brisk walk. Did about 4.25 kilometers in about 42 minutes. So that's okay. Need to be faster next time, but anyway, decent cardio. Heading back now, and I don't know how often I'm going to do this. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to do this again. It will be very monotonous and boring to watch the same thing. But this was one of a kind, and anyway, I hope I stay motivated to keep doing cardio and some kind of workout to get fit. Alright guys, in the next one, take care, have a good week.